Which gear are you going to use there, Thomas? That's it. All on clutch control then, that's it. Your priority there, Thomas, that's it. He'll wait for you. So talk to me. Tell me what you're planning. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're going to do.
Right. And then I'm going to go all the
Keep
way
off the
over.
curb. Keep off the curb. That's it. Okay. Are you happy with the car setup? Keep off the curb. Keep off the curb. Okay, talk to me. What can you see ahead of you?
Slowing down cars.
Okay. So what's your plan?
Go slow.
So it's mirrors first, isn't it? So you know what's behind you. Okay. Brake. Clutch. Stop, brake softly, softly. Okay, anything else you need to do?
Am I going to just do this?
Okay. Don't look at it, just do it. And anything else you might need to do? That's it. Rest your feet for the moment, that's it. Yeah, being constantly aware of what's happening around you. Yeah. Now, because you're going to be moving off from stationary, what other check in addition to the mirror check are you going to do?
Blind spot.
And why do we do the blind spot check?
So then we don't.
So you know there's nobody overtaking you. So quit blind spot check again then. All clear? Oh, stop it. Okay, recover properly. Now tell me what went wrong there.
I think I may have had my foot just on the clutch.
What happened with your clutch control there?
None.
Right, blind spot check again. There was none. So what are you going to use this time then?
Clutch control.
Clutch control. That's it. Nice recovery.
I just remembered there's two of the same type of car. Confusing.
Okay. When you have your progress check with one of the instructors up here, you will be in one of those cars. You won't be in this one.
Oh, alright.
Okay? You'll be in one of those Fords.
Ford.
Yeah? So you'll get to drive another car again. Yeah? That would be the third car you've driven then.
Yep.
Okay, yep. You should, as a driver, you should know which gear you're in. That's it. What's your speed? That's it. All happy?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Nice recovery there. And he went pat a cake, pat a cake.
He did.
Huh?
He did.
Yeah. I want to go to that place where it's like that. Practicing that.
Oh, those hill starts?
No. Back there. It's
Over
like
there?
an E shape, yeah.
Yeah, but that's where we're going to practice reversing later on.
That's what I'm on about.
Yeah?
I know we're practicing reversing.
We're going to do that later on this afternoon. Okay?
Alright.
Okay, talk to me. Tell me what you see ahead of you. What is the danger?
Car that is
Okay, keep your car on the road.
just stalled.
Keep your car on the road. If necessary, come to a stop. Rather than go on the pavement, get your car on the road, come to a stop. Get on the road. Get on the road, Thomas. Clutch control. Yeah? We don't go on the pavement, okay? Right, now, Move away again with clutch control. As you're moving away from a stationary position, blind spot check. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, so remember it's your choice of junction.
Oh. Try that then. Or I'll just do it.
Okay, what is the developing hazard you see ahead?
Him turning the corner.
So don't point to it, just tell me, okay? Now tell me how you're going to deal with it. Or show me how you're going to deal with it.
This.
See, have you checked your mirrors so you identified what's behind you?
Yep, red car.
Guide the wheel back with your hands, that's it.
I think we'll go all the way up.
Okay.
Then we can have a quick drink. My drink's in the boot.
So you're going to park up again?
Yeah.
Okay. So nice early indication, mirrors right first, signal, position, sort that speed out now. Do it now. Speed, 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 speed. Clutch up carefully. That's it. Now if you go in between the motorbike and the silver car, and then just drive in forwards, okay? In we go now. Hard round, hard round, hard round, hard round, hard, hard, hard. Very good. Straighten up. Go a little bit further forward so you're up level with the silver car. Clutch control. Okay, use your clutch control. We are starting to break that habit. It's still there. Alright, but we will break it, won't we?
Yeah.
Right, restart your engine. Yep.
Do we reverse it?
No, I want you to go forward, not next to the red car. No, you need to start your engine.
That was stupid.
Okay. Alright, okay, handbrake off, that's it. Alright, clutch control. No power, all on the clutch pedal. Dip the clutch, see? Just up and down on the clutch pedal. Nice slow movements up and down, just to control the car moving forwards. That's it. Up a bit more, that's it. And it's a bit towards me as you come forwards, that's it. A little bit towards me. That's it, a bit more towards me. Okay, go forward a bit more and bring it round towards me a bit more. Come on, skew it, skew. That's it. Right, stop there. Lovely. Right, secure it. Make sure the handbrake's nice and tight. Okay, very good. Well done. Engine off. Now, to avoid avoidance of doubt of the car going anywhere, just put it into reverse gear. It won't go. The car won't go anywhere. No, you don't need the engine on. Just put it into reverse gear. What this does, okay, it secures the car in addition to the handbrake. Alright, take the key with you.
Alright, yeah. Come here.